For the first question, to address this seed problem, Friesen should figure out the root reasons that lead to the current high level of the offline vehicle inventory. Well, by doing that, Friesen could conduct a 5 why analysis to locate the root causes and then provide the countermeasures. Well, based on the given evidence, it seems there's no problems within the seed installation process, and the broken hook is also not a big deal. After all, the main reason should be related to the seeds that provided by KFS, specifically the quality of their seeds and the response on their so-called special delivery replacement are both questionable. Well, for the next step, Friesen should focus more on TMM's seed reorder form to see if they state their requirements clearly or there are some misunderstanding during the communication. On the other hand, Friesen should further investigate on KFS quality control on their production. For example, how long do they need to locate the root cause of a problem, and what exact countermeasures do they exercise to prevent its recurrence? In addition, there are still some minor problems within the current production of TMM. For example, the staff's work in the front seat installation area are kind of used to the current seat defects, which is not a healthy trend and could be a potential problem in the future. So Friesen may need to train those staffs to be sensitive to identify problems. Also, since QC has mentioned about modifying the toolings of the hook, it's necessary to estimate how long would it take to recover the cost, or is there an alternative way to resolve this problem? Well, lastly, since the whole Final Two team are currently busy with the new team members, Friesen should better assign additional employees or make some adjustments on the rotation program to make sure that everyone will focus on their core production. And for the fourth question, the real problem that Friesen currently facing is more on KFS production process. The defected or mismatched seeds they produce are slowing down TMM's production, and their so-called special delivery of replacement is also ineffective. But when we take a deeper look, KFS's real problem is the lack of production control and corresponding countermeasures. From TMM's side, the transmitter that sends manifest information to KFS on the paint line may disrupt the production sequence of KFS. There should be more channels to exchange latest information on defects and production between these two firms. From KFS side, even though they're learning from TMC and also introducing the TPS to their production, this seed problem may still indicate that they lack the ability on quality check and troubleshooting. So as a result, Friesen should send more QC troubleshooters to KFS and optimize their production process in order to keep consistent of the production capacity between these two firms.